Welcome to this technical guide on the HP15A. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your HP15A can't hold a charge, you're not alone. This problem is quite common and usually indicates that the battery is failing. Over time, batteries lose their ability to hold a charge due to wear and tear, and if left unchecked, it can lead to your laptop becoming unusable. In this video, we will show you how to replace the battery so you can get back to using your device without any interruptions. For this repair, you will need a few tools, a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and of course, an original replacement battery for your HP15A. Now, let's get started with the repair. First, ensure the laptop is turned off and unplugged. Next, flip the laptop over and locate the screws securing the back panel. Use the Phillips screwdriver to carefully remove these screws, keeping them safe for reassembly. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic opening tool to gently pry open the back panel. Be cautious as you do this to avoid damaging any clips. Inside, locate the battery, which is usually a rectangular component with wires attached. To remove the battery, first disconnect the cable by gently pulling it out of its socket. After that, carefully unscrew the screws holding the battery in place. Remember to note where each screw goes, as they may vary in size. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, take the new battery and position it where the old one was. Secure it in place with the screws you previously removed, and reconnect the cable to its socket, ensuring it is firmly attached. Now, it's time to reassemble the back panel. Align it carefully and press down until you hear the clips snap back into place. Then, replace all the screws you removed earlier, making sure they are snug but not over-tightened. Finally, flip the laptop back over, plug it in, and turn it on. Check that the battery indicator shows it is charging properly. To prevent this issue from arising again, try to avoid exposing your laptop to extreme temperatures and always use it on a flat surface. Regularly updating your software can also help optimize battery performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.